There are a few rules for proper filter and humidifier care. Remember, these filters are powerful, and with suggested use and cleaning, each filter can last up to 6 months. First, use cold chlorinated tap water. Don't use the same water for longer than 24 hours. If there's any water left after this time, pour it all out and add fresh water. If you need to add water within 24 hours, pour out the last 0.2 to 0.5 liters and then pour fresh water. When pouring fresh water, turn the filter so that the part at the top is in the new water. At least every 2 days, rinse the filter under running water, directing the water stream from the inside of the filter outwards. At least every 7 days, wash the tank, float, and plastic filter elements with lukewarm water and a mild cleaning agent. Use the filter drying function temporarily. In everyday use, don't allow the filter to dry. If you don't use the humidifier for longer than 12 hours, rinse the filter and wash the plastic elements and the tank. Leave the filter somewhere where it will dry easily. If you allow a large layer of scale to form on the filter, soak it for 30 minutes in a solution of water with food-grade citric acid in a ratio of 2 ounces of acid per 1 liter of water. Then rinse the filter thoroughly before use.